Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson in my beginner piano course level 1. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. In this lesson, we're going to learn about a new time signature. In the previous lessons, every single song and exercise we dealt with was in 4/4, so 4 crotchets in every measure or bar. In this lesson, we're going to learn about 3/4, that is 3 quarter note beats or 3 crotchet beats in every bar or measure. Now this one is not very different to 4/4, but it has a different feel to it. Whilst 4/4 feels more like an even pulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/4, on the other hand, feels a little bit more like a dance, a little bit more upbeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So don't forget the top number of the time signature shows us that there are 3 beats in every single bar or measure, and the bottom number of the time signature, number 4, stands for the length of the beat or the type of the beat, and in this case each beat is going to be a quarter note or crotchet beat long. In 3/4, after every 3 beats we have to draw a bar line, and just like in 4/4, the first beat of the bar is always going to be a little bit stronger than the other 2 notes. So number 1 gets a strong accent and 2 and 3 is a little bit quieter or gentler. And this way we can always feel where is the beginning of the bar and we get that nice dance feel to the time signature. Now that we understand what 3/4 stands for, let's try to use it in a very short exercise. Now again, these exercises can be tapped, can be clapped, or you can pick one note on your piano and just use that for the sake of the rhythm. I'm going to count in 3 beats, and then I'm going to pick a middle C here just for simplicity, and I'm going to come in after the 3rd beat and I'm going to count very evenly 1, 2, 3. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this was a short little rhythmic exercise in 3/4 where we're counting 1, 2, 3. A crotchet gets 1 beat, a minim gets 2 beats, and a dotted minim or dotted half note is going to take up an entire bar or measure. If you enjoy this lesson, make sure to check out the premium version of this course, which is going to include a free method book, lots of filmed video tutorials for sight reading exercises, technical exercises, performance pieces, and best of all, you're going to get personal feedback from me to make sure your progress is as smooth and efficient as it can get.